Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. We'll be exploring what is HMS and HIMS, a guide to modern hospital digital management systems. Over the next few minutes, we'll cover the essentials of hospital management systems and how they're transforming healthcare. Let's get started. Today, let's take a closer look at the hospital management system, or HMS for short. Essentially, it's a comprehensive software solution designed to streamline and manage a hospital's operations across various departments. It covers everything from administrative tasks to financial processes and clinical activities. For example, it handles patient registration, making the check-in process smooth and efficient. It also manages billing, ensuring that payments are processed accurately and promptly. Staff management is another crucial aspect, helping coordinate schedules and responsibilities among medical personnel. And inventory management keeps track of supplies and equipment, making sure everything is available when needed. Overall, HMS integrates these core functions into a single platform, helping hospitals operate more efficiently and improve patient care. This is a key component of modern healthcare, and it really aligns with our goal of leveraging technology to enhance hospital management. Today, I want to introduce you to the Hospital Information Management System, or HIMS for short. This is a more comprehensive platform that really brings together all the essential aspects of hospital management. It doesn't just handle administrative tasks. It also integrates seamlessly with clinical information systems like electronic medical records, or EMR and EHR. This means that patient data, lab results, pharmacy information, and imaging are all connected within one unified system. Such integration helps improve efficiency, reduces errors, and ensures that healthcare providers have quick access to accurate, up-to-date information. By centralizing these functions, HIMS supports better coordination across departments, leading to improved patient care. It's a vital tool for modern hospitals aiming to deliver high-quality, streamlined services. And as always, this innovation is brought to you by HMS, emphasizing our commitment to advancing healthcare technology. All right, let's take a closer look at this slide. So when we talk about HIMS, or Healthcare Information Management System, it's actually composed of two main parts. First, we have HMS, which stands for Hospital Management System. This part primarily handles the operational and administrative functions within a hospital or healthcare facility. Think of things like patient registration, scheduling, billing, and staff management. It's all about running the day-to-day operations smoothly. Now, the second part is HIMS itself, which is essentially HMS plus full clinical data management. This means that HIMS isn't just managing administrative tasks, but also integrates comprehensive clinical data. Think of medical histories, lab results, imaging, and treatment plans. The key difference here, and what I want you to really focus on, is that HIMS offers a more complete picture. It merges administrative efficiency with clinical depth, ensuring that all patient data is accessible and manageable in one system. This integration enhances decision-making, improves patient care, and streamlines workflows across the entire healthcare organization. So, in essence, while HMS focuses mainly on operational and administrative tasks, HIMS expands this scope to include full clinical data management, making it a more powerful tool for modern healthcare. Let's take a closer look at this table comparing HMS with other health management systems. As you can see, both HMS and HIMS cover the core functions like patient management, billing and finance, and inventory and pharmacy. These are fundamental features that any healthcare system needs to operate smoothly. However, the key difference lies in the integration capabilities. The HMS, in this case, does not offer EMR or EHR integration, nor does it support laboratory, imaging, or clinical decision support functions. On the other hand, the HIMS covers all of these advanced areas, providing a more comprehensive solution. This highlights an important point about the value of integrated health information systems. A system like HIMS can streamline workflows, improve data accuracy, and support better clinical decisions by consolidating all these functions into one platform. So, when choosing a system, consider not just the core capabilities, but also how well it integrates key clinical functions that can enhance patient care and operational efficiency. Ultimately, a fully integrated system like HIMS offers a more holistic approach to healthcare management, aligning with our goal of providing high-quality, efficient care.